see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Here.
Don't break it. You'll break the whole glass.
Ayan, bigla kayong namatay. Bakit kaya? Nakatulog. Baba, we're home!
Carly's here, Baba. Get your hair cut.
Magpapagupit pala siya. Nabanggit ko ba? Say bye, guys! Go! Say bye!
That's all right. Still in. Was one.
No.
What?
You said Carly's here.
Yeah, Carly's inside.
Ayan, magpuput away pa ako si Sakay. Magpapagupit na siya. Sobrang init. Tingnan nyo, binuksan na nila yung pintuan sa harap, pero sobrang lamig sa labas, guys. As in, sobrang lamig. Sobrang init lang dito kasi nga, di ba, sa firewood namin.
Oh, good.
Is it ticklish, huh? He's doing like, oh. Ayan, turn niya na. Baba! Baba! Look at that girl. Wait, I gotta take photo, okay?
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, yeah.
Good job, Baba. So maybe you're gonna just like,
Yeah, bring it up a bit.
yeah, bring it up.
Thicken it up.
Yeah. Because it's very thin
It is.
at the end.
No one's
crying. Iniwan ko muna yung
Now, Holly girl, you're
pinapag-away
gonna have to
kong mga
look down.
grocery. Baba,
Yep,
well
good
done,
girl.
Baba.
Keep really still. Keep really still. Good girl.
I can hear something.
Keep really still. Keep looking down. Good girl. My gosh, I wish all kids were like this. Good girl.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow this down.
Now look straight at Mum.
Mom, look at
Look up
mommy.
at Mum, love. That's it.
Good job.
The speed of sound. Tonight we all know crazy. Dream machine, racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat.
I find this hole.
Where? Car? When? Oh, because at the party, yeah, because I said no, we're not going. We're just gonna drop Zachary.
Dream machine, racing queen. You make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Driving on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine.
What did you eat at the party, Holder?
I
What did you eat there?
eat birthday cake.
Birthday cake?
Look down, love.
Why did she say? I thought only
Well done, Holly.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine.
Now look up, love. That's it. Good girl.
Oh, silly.
Just look at mommy.
Look at Mum.
Look at mommy,
Look at
Baba.
Mum.
Oh,
Up.
silly string. Dolly. Yeah. I didn't.
Yeah. Yep, like that. Don't move. Don't move. Little bit there and you're done. Good girl. That's tickling it up, Chona.
Okay. You're done, Baba. Baba, you're done.
Do you want me to put that? Quick. I just want to show them what I've done
tapos na
at
si
school.
Holly.
Please. Yes.
Who is this?
Okay, kids, do you want me to show? Made our own apps,
Oh,
so our
wow.
own games, and I've made a couple at home. He's
Wow, that's good.
Never finish it.
Good job,
Okay,
Kobe.
yeah.
Well
Come
done.
here.
Wow, look at Mama. Well done,
And
Baba.
stay there, love. Right,
Stay there,
which one
baby.
Do you wanna play? Do you want to play?
Wait, Baba. Yeah,
Oh my
pizza.
god. Feels like the back of
That
Dad's head. I need to leave it in the fire. The dustpan.
Good job, Baba. Say, kain. Again.
You can have water. You're
Say
not
it.
having feels like
Say,
I had my share on the back.
Back our shares, please.
ayan si Kuya, bago siyang gupit din. Kanina hindi ko napakita sa inyo kasi nahihiya na naman siya. Tsaka busy siya makipaglaro kay Kobe. So, ayan. Yung dalawa nandun. Nakita nyo silang ginupitan. Hi! Today is August 19 and today is talagang masinsina ng pagtitraining sa kanya na dapat talaga sa toilet na siya mag number 1, mag number 2. So, eto na yung last niyang pagsuot ng nappy during the day. But at night, magsusot pa rin siya syempre kasi baka, you know, bata pa rin yan. Iihi at iihi pa rin yan sa, sa bed pag hindi siya naka-nappy. And then, yung suit niya palang, panty. Dalawa yan. Wow. Okay, come on, Baba. Dalawa. Isang cotton. Tapos, itong isa, sinento sa akin ng friend ko from the US. And, hindi ko lang alam kung anong tawag dito. Para siya yung pag-accidentally na naka-i siya dito sa cotton undies niya. Hindi agad mag-lilik or, yeah, hindi ko alam. Basta yan. Tingnan natin. Kasi first time ko pa lang naman to gagamitin. So, yeah. Oh, Holly, where you gonna go? Wee-wee.
In our toilet.
Where you gonna go, Pupo?
In my mini one.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye. Mwah.
Okay. Good afternoon. Tingnan natin si Jan kasi nag-order ulit si Jan. Oh, hi! Nag-order si Jan. Oh, ang puti ko. Hoy! Nabaliw na naman siya. Tapos ko lang maligo and naririnig ko si Jan nag-unload siya ng binili niyang mga kahoy para doon sa namin sa tawag nun sa fireplace namin. Ayan, oh. Hindi kami ngayon nagpa-deliver kasi hindi libre yung nagdi-deliver. So si Jan ang mismo pumunta doon sa bahay niya para hakutin to. Come on, Mama. Today is August 21. Alas 2 na. Baba, careful ah. Gloves, what for? Kaya tulungan ko siya kasi marami yan, guys. Ako doon ang tagapasa niya. Kaliligo ko lang. Tapos etong ating trabaho. Say hi, guys!
Hi, guys.
Are you gonna help?
Yeah.
Are you cold? I'm cold.
You won't be able to work with the
Don't taste me.
Malamig, marami pa mag-change lang ako ng I'll get my phone. Mag-change ako ng damit. Kasi akala ko naman hindi ako tutulong. Kailangan natin tulungan siya kasi marami yun. Ang lamig. Yes! Akin na. Ayan, pinatungan ko lang siya nito and nag-leggings na ako. Okay, I'm coming, Baba. Hinihintay ko yung coming. Thank you. Thank you. Dada yung phone ko. Thank you, Baba. Okay, let's go. Let's help Daddy. Oh, it's raining. Hindi ko na kayo madadala, guys. Umuulan. Baba, it's raining now. Go inside now! Ayan guys, hindi ko na kayo maisasama. Tingnan natin kung pwede kayo dito. Sana huwag kayong malaglag kasi umuulan. 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 Ayan. Ay, meron pa pala dito sa ano? Meron pa pala dyan. Oh, hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko kayo nilagay dito. Hindi ko yan makita. Ang dami pa talaga. Ang dami pa talaga. Wait, Baba. Ayan. Parang naulanan kayo, no? Ah, hindi. Sa ano pala yan? Sa car. Wait, Baba. I'm gonna help Daddy. So, dyan ko kayo ilagay. I-fast forward na natin to. Wait, Baba.
Like I'm wasted, my heart grows.
So, ayan. Inaram ko muna tong phone ni Jan. So far, ayan pa lang yung nailalagay namin. And, ayan, marami pa dito, guys. Ayan. And, meron pa doon sa likod ng pick up ni Jan. Ang tawag dito ay youth. So, ayan. Okay, Han, let's go. What's wrong, Baba? Hoy, come on, help Mommy.
Keep your words naked. You got me blushing. And you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow. In immortality.
Ayan, na-empty na tong trailer and andito na silang lahat. Ayan, ang dami na nila. Ayan. Gum tree daw to. And then si Jan, i-move niya lang to kasi meron pa dun sa likod ng youth. Dun sa car niya. So, i-move niya lang yun. Baba! So, sabi niya siya na lang dito. Hindi ko na kailangan ipasa pa sa kanya kasi malapit lang naman. And alam nyo ba, mayroon tayong splinter. Oh. Kuha ko ng tweezer. Tatanggalin natin to. Ayan, ang init dito sa loob kaya tinanggal ko na yung suot ko kanina. Nag-init pala ako ng tira namin na ulam kagabi, yung sinigang. Kaya naririnig nyo yung microwave. Ayan. Kita nyo yan. Dito na si Holly. Holly? Get my phone there, Baba.
What?
My phone.
Outside?
No, in Daddy's car.
Oi.
Yeah.
Well, what toy?
I'm trying to get this splinter, Baba.
Dinosaur.
Yeah, it's sore, Baba. And kanina habang pinapasa ko kay dyan yung mga kahoy, feeling ko nag-squat ako ng 2,000 times. Kasi pa isa-isa, una pa dalawa. Nung na, ano na ako, isang malaki, isang maliit yung pinapasa ko kay dyan para mas madali. Pero nagka-splinter, isa-isa na lang. So, sumakit yung legs ko, pati likod ko. Tapos ang lamig-lamig ko sa labas. Tapos dito naman ang init. Ay, ayaw niya matanggal. Si Jan na lang. Saan yan? Hanapin ko yung isang chani. Ayan. Eto ba? Nahanap ko na yung isa. Kasi eto, medyo ano siya, manipis lang yung dito niya bang part. So, kukuha ko na to.
Open this, Mom. Open this. Mommy, open it.
Wait.
Mom, I want this next.
Wait. Ayan. Nakita niya? Ayan na siya, oh.
Hello, wait.
Ayan.
Mom, this next.
Okay, wait, Baba. Ayan.
Open this.
Kita niyo?
Open it, Mommy.
Gutom na to. Ako din. Kumain na siyang lunch. Ito yung kanyang snacks. Ito yung lemon square na butterscotch. Ayan. I'm gonna say.
Cakey.
And ako, hindi ba ako nagla-lunch? Ininit ko lang yung tira namin. Ulam kagabi. Ito ba? Ayan. Sinigang. And wala namang ganap. Yun lang yung ganap namin today. Bukas change na, ayan ba, magpapa-SNS tayo bukas. So, yun na lang, bukas na lang ulit. Kasi wala namang ganap, kakain lang naman ako. And, yan yung kakainin ko. And, magtutupi and magsasampay. Meron akong, linoad sa, washing machine. Wait, Baba. And, ayan, magtutupi. And, si Holly. Baba, don't make a mess, ha? So, yun lang naman ang ganap, guys. Wala namang talaga. Tapos, mag-edit ako mamaya. Bukas na lang, magpapa-SNS ako. Sige na, bye. Bukas na lang.
Hola, siya po ka.
Helda Frogasa.
Helda Fugrasa.
Bubite.
Pupita.
Cantiga.
Kentika.
Jessica.
Jessica.
Amida.
Amida.
Rosana.
Rusana.
Pinky Dicano.
Pinky Tigano.
Angel.
Angel.
Osoria.
Osuria. Don't forget to write hashtag ChonaAndMyKids for our share. Bye.
We'll get real
Hoy! No, Papa! And the guy told me, honey, you have to put this one. Come on now. Let's go inside na, Papa.
paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I